Solo travel can be an exciting and liberating experience. However, for Black women, it comes with its unique challenges and safety concerns. In this video, we'll be discussing the basics of keeping yourself safe while traveling alone as a Black woman. Before embarking on any journey, it's essential to do your due diligence. Research the destination, local culture, customs, and laws. Make sure you familiarize yourself with any safety concerns or scams targeted at tourists. Packing light is a great way to keep yourself safe. The less luggage you have, the easier it will be to move around. Only pack essentials, and always make sure you have enough clothes to last a few days. Additionally, take copies of your important documents like your passport, Idaho card, and credit cards. Let someone know about your travel plans, including your itinerary, accommodation, and contact details. Make sure you also keep in touch with family and friends regularly, updating them on your whereabouts. One of the essential aspects of staying safe is to always be watchful of your environment. Be wary of anyone who appears to be following you, and keep an eye on your possessions. Use rideshare services or taxis that are licensed. Always take note of the driver's details, including their name, picture, and license number. Situate yourself in the back seat to avoid getting trapped on either side in case of an emergency. Avoid using public transport at night. Traveling solo as a Black woman can be a terrific experience. By taking the necessary safety measures, you can reduce risks and avoid unnecessary trouble. Always remember to trust your instincts, be prepared, and have fun.